Hi everyone, my name is Maddie, and if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button down below. So today I am finally doing an unboxing of a bag that I bought. I've been eyeing it for a long time. I want to say I first saw this bag on The Hills. If you are a fan of that show, you might know what I'm talking about. It was when Jason gifted her this bag in the first season. I think it was like for Christmas or something, and at the time I couldn't afford it because I think when it aired I was a senior in high school, and so I couldn't afford it. And I kind of have this trend where if anything significant happens in my life that's good, I'll buy a bag. So when I want to say 22, I graduated from college and I got a tote. It was a Michael Kors. If I can find a picture, I'll post it right here. But that was a gift for myself, and at the time it was like $320, and being a poor college student, that was a lot for me. My second bag that I got because of an event in my life was my Louis Vuitton Neverfull. Actually, I have it right here. My Louis Vuitton Neverfull. And I got this when I graduated with my master's degree, and to celebrate my new job from a year ago. I got hired back at my old job, and now I bought another bag because I just got hired on somewhere else. So I'm very excited to unbox it for you. Here we go. Oh yeah, and then if you watched my last video, I'll link it in the cards. I got the Nice BB, and that celebration, I bought that because new job, and also we moved to a new city, and that was a huge milestone in my life too. Basically noting I'm moving forward in my life. And also it's a small piece I've always wanted, especially for travel. But yeah, so let's go ahead and unbox this one. I got it from Fashionphile. The majority, if I do buy secondhand, I try and buy from Fashionphile. I did buy a Balenciaga bag a while back. I bought the City bag, and I got that one off of eBay. This is what it looks like. I did buy this one, and it was authenticated. The reason why I didn't do a video on it was because I bought it, and then literally 2 weeks later the scandal happened, and yeah, I just didn't want to post about it because I didn't want to get a lot of hate on my channel. But the bag that I bought from Balenciaga, it was a 2012, and I bought it from a third party. So the third party already paid Barney's New York, where they bought it. They already paid them back in 2012. So Balenciaga and Barney's already have that revenue and that payment. I only paid the seller, but I knew I might get some hate for that, and people would probably tell me to sell it or to get rid of it. I don't know. This was back in 2012. This was when they had a different designer and creative director. So I don't really know what to do with it. Like, part of me just wants to hang on to it because it's vintage and it's of the old creators. But yeah, there's that bag. But moving on back to what you guys tuned in for. So here's the box. If you order from Fashionphile, they give you their dust bag even if you order a bag that has their own dust bag. When I bought my what was it? My Speedy 30, it came with the Louis Vuitton dust bag and it came with a Fashionphile one. I bought my Nano Speedy because I just had a baby, huge milestone in my life, and I also moved to Alaska where my husband was stationed. So that's why I bought that one. Okay, let's open it. I'm really excited for this bag. Like I said, I've been eyeing it for a while. This is still considered vintage. And look, this is the Chanel medallion. And you can see because there's a medallion right there. Super pretty. I need to look up what material this is made out of. It feels really light. But I absolutely love it. This back pocket is huge. I checked. I have the Samsung Galaxy 22 Ultra, and my phone fits in this back pocket. Surprisingly, it does. So I know where I'm going to put my phone. But look how pretty it is. And there's very minimal wear and tear on the bottoms, which I really liked. I was going to get a cream color or like a beige, but honestly, I decided on black because my really good friend convinced me everyone needs a classic black bag. The only black bag I have is a Kurt Geiger. I'll link the video in the cards of the one I have. And it's a multi-crossbody bag. It's rather small. I hardly even use it. I only use it like when I travel. But everyone needs a classic black bag, and I'm going to use this on a daily basis. I mean, I spend a lot of money. I'm going to use it. I remember I showed this to my mom earlier today, and she asked me if I was just going to tuck it away in my closet. And I said no, because this deserves to be used. Let me show you the inside. And I like how these handles, for the most part, stay up. I've seen a couple used bags where they just flop completely over, and I like how these have, for the most part, kept their shape. Okay, so as you see here, you got one slip pocket, and then on the other side, I have, if you can see right there, I got a zippered pocket right there. Now in the bag, let me show you what I came with. I got the authenticity card, which I am very happy that I got it. And this is also why I paid a little bit more for this one than the other ones on Fashionphile, because it did have the authenticity card. Now, if you do buy from Fashionphile, they do authenticate all of their bags, but it does help a little bit more if you have that little card. And then it also came with this little thing. If anyone knows, please tell me what this is. This little booklet's for. But it has this in there. Has a little Chanel card. So I'm really excited. This is my first Chanel bag. I did go to Neiman Marcus when I first moved to where I am, and I saw their boy bag, and I saw their mini, but nothing really struck out to me. So I'm happy I got this as my first Chanel piece. I've never had Chanel before. And like I said before, I've been eyeing this since I've seen it on TV. So I'm very happy I got it. I did pay a good price for it. If I would definitely check Fashionphile if you do want one. And honestly, I wouldn't pay more than $2,500. I paid less than that for this, and I say it's in good condition. It's in very good condition. I would make sure you do get your bag authenticated, or make sure who you buy it from does authenticate them. But yeah, this is my new bag. Tell me what you think in the comments. Do you think I did a good job, or should I have gone with something else? Okay, so let's talk. The Lady Dior, that's still on my wish list. I still will eventually get that bag. It's just a matter of when. You know, I just bought this one. I'm good. I don't think I will buy the Lady Dior until like summer or fall now. But who knows? I do, with my new job and everything, I'm getting a new puppy. I really want to build up my savings again. But yeah, I'm still planning on getting the Lady Dior. It's just about when I'm gonna do it. And I think I'll do it. If I get wind of a price increase, I think I'll do it before then, because I don't want to pay more than I should. But I'm also checking out Fashionphile to see what Lady Dior's they have in stock, because I know you can get it so much cheaper pre-loved. But I want to make sure the condition is excellent, and I want to make sure it is the color that I really like. Anyways, let me know what you think about this bag in the comments. Thank you guys so much for watching. If there's anything you want to see on my channel, if you guys want to see an office tour, because I just barely moved my office, please let me know. My next video, I think I'm either going to do a planner setup, because I have my Louis Vuitton GM planner right there, and I set it up for the new year. And then I also, someone did request a video on my niece BB. I'm going to spray it with Apple Guard. And then I'm also going to pack it with my Zumoni organizer. And those will be the 2 new videos coming up next. Alright, thank you!